So you're in the market for a robot vacuum, but you don't want something that breaks the bank. At the same time, you don't want something so basic that it creates more headaches down the line. The Eufy E25 sits right in that mid-range category, offering some surprisingly premium features for the price. But does it actually deliver enough to justify it? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome to Tips Trove, your trove of tips to better your life. Before we dive in, this review is not sponsored. While I did receive this unit for free, I pay taxes on it, and my opinions are based entirely on my real-world experience using it in my home. Like many of Eufy's robot vacuums, both the base station and the vacuum itself are designed efficiently with little wasted space. Starting with the base station, the mop washing tray is easy to remove and reinstall, and it's thoughtfully designed for cleaning, which I'll show later in the video. The clean and dirty water tanks are surprisingly large, honestly maybe even larger than necessary since each cleaning cycle uses very little water. You can install cleaning solution here, and there's also a light on the base that mostly serves as a visual accent. Unlike the S1 Pro, this model does not include EcoClean ozone generation. The dust bag installs easily, although I've noticed Eufy uses different dust bag types across models, which can be a bit inconvenient, especially if you're upgrading. On the vacuum itself, the top cover lifts off to reveal an easy to clean dustbin. Underneath you'll find the mop and internal water system. I actually like this design, especially the built-in filter that limits solid debris from entering the dirty water tank. You've got dual front brushes, and the right one features Eufy's corner rover arm that extends outward to better target edges and corners. The main roller brush also detangles itself at the end of each cleaning session, which helps reduce maintenance. Mapping is solid and relatively quick. The vacuum navigates each room efficiently during its initial scan. One thing to note, if you use a pet or baby gate like I do, you'll need to remove them during mapping, otherwise the vacuum registers them as permanent obstacles. Once mapping is complete, editing rooms in the Eufy app is simple. Eufy actually offers two apps now, the Eufy Clean and the general Eufy app. If you already use their security products, it makes sense to stick with the main app. Either way, the user experience is very similar. The interface is clean and intuitive with a lot of customization options. One feature I really appreciate is the ability to set different cleaning settings for each room. Or, if you prefer, you can sync them all so that all selected rooms use the same settings. You can also create routines, which lets you save your preferred cleaning combinations and launch them with a single tap. That's especially helpful for frequently messy areas. I do want to mention that Eufy includes a few experimental features inside the app that you can toggle on. For example, there's a mode that lets you activate the vacuum with your foot and have it follow you around the house for spot cleaning. It sounds cool in theory, and it's definitely interesting to try, but Eufy is right to label these as experimental. In my experience, they need quite a bit more refinement. While they're fun to test out, they don't work reliably enough to truly be practical, and at this stage, they don't add much real-world value. Now let's talk about what really matters, cleaning performance. For everyday vacuuming, I don't have major complaints. The suction power is strong, especially on hard floors. I don't have carpet, but it handles doormats without issue. The corner rover arm automatically extends when it detects corners. It's a nice addition, though I wouldn't call it game-changing. Where it could improve is pathing. It does bump into objects fairly often and occasionally attempts to climb table legs. Higher-end models typically handle obstacle avoidance more gracefully. As for mopping, it does a decent job. It's not as advanced as some premium roller mop systems, but it has a few strengths. Interestingly, it applies more downward pressure than one of Eufy's flagship mopping models. However, water usage is very conservative. Even at the highest setting, it doesn't dispense much water, which can sometimes lead to streaking. There's also currently no option to adjust how frequently the mop washes at the base station. For footprints and light stains, it performs well, but for dried, caked-on messes, you'll likely need multiple passes. Maintenance is relatively easy, and I'm happy with how manageable it feels long term. The dustbin lifts out easily, and the filter can simply be tapped clean. The roller brush pops out, and thanks to the automatic detangling process, most hair is already removed after each session. The front brush arms are easy to remove and should be cleaned regularly to maintain performance. As for the water tank, I really like the built-in basket that collects solid debris. It makes cleaning significantly easier, and the rest can be rinsed and brushed out without much effort. In fact, I find this model easier to maintain than one of Eufy's more expensive models from the previous year, so they've definitely made improvements in overall design. So what's my takeaway? For a mid-tier robot vacuum, the Eufy E25 offers some pleasant surprises, especially in the design, customization, and maintenance. It strikes a solid balance between suction power and mopping capability. Yes, it has some navigation quirks like getting stuck under tight spaces or climbing table legs, but if you can work around those, there are minor trade-offs at this price point. At its currently selling price of around $600, down from the original $900, you're getting features that were previously reserved for higher-end models, including the roller mop system, separate clean and dirty water tanks, and active mop cleaning. At $900, I don't think it was worth it, but at today's discounted pricing, it's much more reasonable. Ultimately, when shopping for a mid-range robot vacuum, ask yourself this: what matters most to you? Stronger suction, better mopping, smarter navigation? Robot vacuums will continue improving every year, and you really don't need the newest tech. You just need one that fits your needs. Hopefully this video helps give you some insight into whether the Eufy E25 is a good fit for your home. If you decide to purchase, please use the link in the description. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases, and I appreciate your support. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the #1 feature you value in a robot vacuum? This is Tips Trove, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.